Elevate your bathroom experience with the Smart Bidet Toilet Seat, where luxury meets innovation, offering unparalleled comfort and hygiene at the touch of a button. In this video, we'll be looking at the top 5 Smart Bidet Toilet Seats available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best Smart Bidet Toilet Seats. The fifth product on this list is the BidetMate 2000 series. Why buy a bathroom bidet seat? Let's face it, going to the bathroom was a lot classier. This will improve your health, lifestyle, and hygiene. This advanced bidet seat includes a heated water system that delivers safe and powerful heated water for your anal irrigation and cleaning. Its unlimited heated water makes it quick and effective, while its self-cleaning option sanitizes between uses. And did we mention? It has a wireless remote that allows you to personalize temperature and pressure for maximum personal comfort. Moreover, this eco-friendly built-in heater warms up water more quickly, reducing energy consumption and offering hot water for consistent temperature throughout your daily routine. It has a wireless remote control that ensures you maintain independence and allows you to move freely around the restroom. We like that the self-cleaning toilet seat with a heated nozzle and a soft closing lid, it's an end to the wasteful and expensive wet toilet paper forever. Its pros are: it offers customizable washing options such as aerated flow, pulse mode, feminine wash setting, power rinse, and massage functions. It is ultra gentle, deeply refreshing clean, and great for saving on toilet rolls. And it utilizes a soft closing seat to ensure your comfort and peace of mind. However, it may require additional clearance for installation. The BidetMate 2000 series is the perfect choice for a comfortable and clean experience. It's a toilet seat bidet that gives you a hygienic and refreshing clean feeling every time you use your bathroom. Up next in fourth place is the Brondell Swash S1400EW. If high-end appliances are your priority, a luxurious bidet toilet seat that delivers ultimate personal cleanliness and comfort could be your ideal choice. These bidet seats offer the best of all worlds with their sleek design and innovative features. They feature oscillating stainless steel nozzles, a warm air dryer, and self-cleaning cycles to keep the seat clean and hygienic. The elegantly designed water saver boasts a slim profile, a control handle on the right side of the bottom rail, and an elongated bowl, resulting in a compact, space-saving design. Moreover, the temperature can be adjusted in both the wash and dryer to 4 levels, allowing you to choose from 3 spray positions, and includes a gentle closing lid to prevent slamming and potential toe injuries. We appreciate the inclusion of a deodorizer to maintain a fresh-smelling bathroom. It ensures that the right wash is always available for the best possible clean. Its programmable settings enable you to customize as you desire. It has dual stainless steel nozzles with 7 positions for efficient cleaning, and it features a non-ending warm water spray, warm air dryer, heated seat, replaceable deodorizer, nozzle oscillation, and a blue illuminating nightlight. However, its elongated design may not fit the toilet perfectly. The Brondell Swash S1400EW is a high-tech combination bidet and toilet seat, ideal for bringing modern comfort to your bathroom. Still haven't found a smart bidet toilet seat that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The third product on this list is the Blooming NB-R1260E. Tired of removing your shoes and sitting on a cold toilet seat? With this bidet, you won't have to endure that again. Catering to all your hygiene needs, this bidet toilet seat boasts a sleek, elongated design with a built-in electronic bidet. An ambient LED nightlight facilitates easy use in the middle of the night, and you can control the seat's numerous features via the remote control. It also offers 4 wash modes, including soft, rear, feminine, and posterior wash modes, with the option of water only or the addition of a warm air dryer for an efficient, comfortable clean that keeps you fresh throughout the day. Furthermore, its built-in electronic bidet self-cleans after every use, ensuring your toilet seat remains sparkling clean. This toilet seat offers 5 individual settings and a deodorizer to customize your bathroom experience to your needs. It's designed for easy installation on most existing toilets, allowing you to enjoy modern washroom, luxury, and minimal time. Its pros are: it's easy to follow the setup guide so you can have it up and running quickly. It can customize your experience with 4 different wash modes, and it can activate the various features of the bidet seat through a wireless remote control without having to get up. However, its warm water may turn cold easily. The Blooming NB-R1260E offers a wide range of features that will make your life so much easier. The second product on this list is the Alpha Bidet UX. Unexpected guests? No problem. Its super fast dryer allows you to tidy up in just 15 seconds. This bidet function is designed to promote personal hygiene while reducing toilet paper usage. It boasts an ultra-low profile of only 4.5 inches, providing easy access to the toilet seat. Equipped with an energy-efficient ceramic core tankless water heater, it delivers unlimited warm water with minimal lag or temperature fluctuations, ensuring you're always in control of your hygiene. Additionally, it features a towel dryer, a deodorizer, and an LED nightlight, all of which contribute to a comfortable and enjoyable grooming experience post-bathroom use. Moreover, it includes an integrated nozzle with adjustable water pressure and temperature settings. We appreciate the self-cleaning hybrid nozzle, which offers multiple spray modes and water pressure settings to cleanse your body as though you were at a spa. Elevate your hygiene and add a touch of luxury to your bathroom. Its pros are: its sleek look feels much more in line with a traditional toilet seat. It offers pulse and oscillation functions, warm water, and a dryer function. And it has wide coverage, and it offers enough power to get you clean without being harmful to people with hemorrhoids or other sensitivities. However, its remote doesn't label how to crack the code of how each button works. The Alpha Bidet UX is the ideal bidet seat solution for those looking for maximum height and comfort without sacrificing features. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products in the market. Finally, the top smart bidet toilet seat is the Bio Bidet Discovery DLS. Are you tired of leaving the toilet seat up and reaching over to clean yourself every time? If you lead a busy lifestyle and lack the time for thorough personal cleaning at home, your worries are over. This smart bidet toilet seat offers multiple cleansing functions, including a rear and front wash, a warm air dryer, and more. It elevates personal cleansing, providing all the features necessary for a quick and comfortable experience at home. Enjoy the freedom to choose from various settings for the perfect cleanse. Moreover, enjoy a customizable freshwater spray, built-in nightlight, and adjustable temperature controls. This self-rinsing model also features an auto-open and close lid, automatically retracting when it senses weight on the seat or after 10 seconds of inactivity. It blends functionality with modern design to ensure you feel fresh and clean after every use. With unlimited warm water at your disposal, using the toilet has never been more convenient. Its pros are: its self-rising lid opens automatically as you approach, it has strong water pressure, its various washing modes, and a high-performance fan for drying, and it uses built-in UV sterilizers that automatically cleans the nozzle. However, there's no way to mute the chimes and beeps. The Bio Bidet Discovery DLS is the smart choice for your bathroom. It eliminates the need for toilet paper with a convenient and affordable touchless, self-cleaning seat that offers a refreshing wash with warm water. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.